In this video, I am going to show you how you can use Word's Dictation Tool to record marks at the end of a term very quickly and to transfer them into Excel. As you can see here that I have got an Excel spreadsheet ready, and you can see that the students are in alphabetical order, and you can see that I've got the questions, 6 of them there along the horizontal plane. So first things first is I would have assumed at this stage that you would have all your marks at least on either the transcript or on a piece of paper after marking them, and you now want to transfer them. So very quickly what you can do is make use of the dictation tool within Microsoft Word. So I will do that now in 2 seconds here. So I have to click on dictate, and then what I will be doing is calling out each number, or sorry, each mark for each question then. 20.5, new line. 14, new line. 10, new line. 12.5, new line. 13, new line. 14, new line. 13. Now, while you can see there that I had to go back and re-input in 13, obviously, yes, dictation does take a bit of time for it to learn to your nuances of your speech. But now that we have got this here, what we can do is obviously select it. And if we had, okay, it could have been down vertically, but as you can see here, it's horizontal. So we can't really paste it in straightforward. But what we can do is paste it in here, paste in the figures here, but then copy them again and go up and transpose the figures, and there you go. The figures are now in, okay? And obviously what you can do is either get rid of these figures in total or just leave them there, but you can see that the marks are already in there now, okay? And you do that, go back into here, press backspace, and you're back to where you were. So you can go in and start a new student, okay, which I'll do very quickly now. 10, new line. 11, new line. 15, new line. 20, new line. 9, new line. 18, 18, Control A, Control C, go into Excel, paste, select what you need to select, copy and transpose, okay? And that is it very quickly. Okay, now you might want to do it, you could actually do it in a newer way, but this is a very quick video, and obviously just making you aware of the dictation tool within Word, and obviously how it can be used to update as a whole series of marks.